Florida could be the first state in the nation to axe vaccine mandates. Thanks for joining us. I'm Luann Sorrell.
And I'm Arlisa Goldsmith. Currently, Florida law requires students to be vaccinated against several diseases before enrolling in school. Fox 35's Randy Hildreth joins us live in Orlando. Randy, you've been speaking with parents today.
Yeah, good evening to you both. So just for context, Florida does have exemptions in place where parents can opt out of vaccinating their children for religious reasons or medical reasons. But if this vaccination into the mandate happens, they wouldn't have to worry about that anymore. And while people applauded the announcement at today's news conference, it also faced swift backlash from some parents, some education leaders, and some medical leaders. Florida could become the first state in the country to end all vaccine mandates.
All of them. All of them.
Florida Surgeon General Joseph Ladapo made the announcement Wednesday. He argues the government shouldn't tell people what to put in their bodies.
Is wrong and drips with disdain and slavery.
State law requires school immunizations for children for things like hepatitis B, polio, measles, and chickenpox. While some applauded the announcement in person at today's news conference and in the community,
I'm in line with that, yes.
Others say removing the requirement concerns them.
The only thing that would concern me is maybe more kids getting sick and more sickness being passed around.
You should have a freedom of choice, but I think the ones that we give to the children should be mandatory because of what happens when we don't give them. We've had the measles come back. You know, we've eradicated polio. I think that's partly from vaccines.
The American Academy of Pediatrics and the National School Nurse Association say research shows vaccines help keep children healthy. In a new statement, the American Academy of Pediatrics president said, quote, "We are concerned that today's announcement by Governor DeSantis will put children in Florida public schools at higher risk for getting sick and have ripple effects across their community." And that was echoed by school leaders.
Vaccines keep students and families safe, and they keep our teachers and staff in our schools safe as well. So I think this is a serious assault on the health and well-being of our students and of the people who work in our schools, and this is taking us in a very backwards direction.
Ladapo says he's now calling on Florida lawmakers to change the state statute over school vaccinations so they can officially get rid of the mandate. And the governor also announced today the establishment of its own Make America Healthy Again commission at the state level. It mirrors the national and federal initiative put forth by Health Secretary RFK Jr. I'll send it back to you live tonight. Randy Hildreth, Fox 35 News.
Randy, thanks so much. We did go through Florida Health's vaccine guidelines. In it, for K through 12 schools, students are required to have these vaccines: DTaP, MMR, hepatitis B, polio vaccine, and chickenpox vaccine. Multiple doses of each shot is required.